Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to provide you coupon code for Ali Dropship platforms. As we know, Ali Dropship provides different services, different products like as you can see here, custom stores, Ali Dropship plugin, Ali Dropship plugin, and there are different services or products like hosting, add-ons, services, themes, premium products. Like this type of products are available on these platforms. So the motive of today's video is to provide you a coupon codes for a custom store like this product, like as you can see here. So for today's video I am going to provide you coupon code for custom stores, and in my upcoming videos I will provide coupon codes for different products. So without wasting much time, let's move to the videos. But I have to tell one thing before moving towards your video. First and important step is, guys, to work all those coupon codes which I am going to show you in this video. You have to follow each and every step strictly so that all the coupon codes are work properly for you. And if you are not follow my steps which I am going to show you in this video, then you will complain like coupon code is not working. For some people coupon code is working, and some people coupon codes are not working. So please follow all the steps each and strictly, so that's why all the coupon codes will work for you as well. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move towards our video. So guys, the main motive of this video is to provide you coupon codes for custom store. So the first and important step is, guys, you have to click on the link which I am giving, which I have given in my description box. And by clicking on this link you will come to this page. So this is important and first step. Like if you come through clicking those link, then you will get 10% extra discounts. And also all the coupon codes which I am going to provide, that will work because these coupon codes are related with my with that link. So if you don't if you will not come from that link, then some coupon code will not work. And though these link has also contains some different discounts, like 10% extra discounts, and also there are some discounts available. So first and important step is you have to click on that link and then come to this website page, this page. And after that you have to click on this one, get custom store. And as you can see here, like you have to click on this, see our packages. Okay guys, so as you can see, there are three types of their plans, like basic, advanced, and ultimate. So according to your need you can select any one of these. So for these videos I am going to consider this one, like best ultimate plan. So and according to your need you can also compare all those three plans, and you can select any one. So I am going to select this one for this videos only. Okay, so as I already mentioned you, the main motive of this video is to provide you a coupon code. Okay, so as you can see here, you are able to see a option like have a coupon code redeem it here. So you have to click on this redeem it here. And now as you can see here, our total price is almost $899, but we will reduce this price by using some coupon codes which I am going to show you in this video. Okay, so first coupon code is like this is a low discount coupon code, but let's try this. So first coupon code is custom 10. So CUSTOM 10. So as you can see here, custom 10. After typing this, and all those letters will be in capital letter. So please take care of those things. And after writing this, let's click on this apply button. So the initial price was $899, but as you can see here, now your price is $809. So you have saved your $89. I mean almost $90. So as you can see here, how interesting this coupon code is. So but we are not going to use this coupon code because I also have some other coupon code which will provide you all greater discount instead of this. So let's go to that coupon code. So finally, in high discountable coupon code which are available in the market, like if you this coupon code will provide you a high discount, and there are no any other coupon codes which are providing that I mean which are providing the greater than of this amount, this discount. I mean the coupon code, this coupon code will provide discount. So let's go to this coupon code. So the coupon code you have to type in your input field is like get store 15. So like GETSTORE 15. So after that you have to simply click on this save, sign button. Okay, so let me click this. So as you can see here 809. Okay guys, so as you can see here the now your total price is 764, and we have saved $134. So as you can see how interesting these coupon codes are. So basically you have to this is your final coupon code and high discountable code which is available in your market. So you have to use this one, and after that, after you save your money, then you have to only you have to fill your details like your email address here and your comments if anything you want to add. And here you have to enter your card number and card holder names and your month, year of the card number. And after that you have to use here CVC, and after that you will click on this complete order. Then your order will place and you will receive a confirmation email on your email ID which we are providing here. So the basically the main motive of this video is to provide you a coupon code and save you lots of money. So guys, I hope you like this video. And as I already mentioned, for some people this coupon code is not working. So they complain that coupon code is not working. But the basic problem is they have not follow each and every step strictly. So that's why that coupon code is not working. So guys, first and important step is, guys, you have to click, you have to come through they come to this page by using that link which I have already, which I am going to put in my description box. And if you come to that link, if you come from that link, then will get us 10% extra discount also. So you have to keep in mind that that link is essential and important. And also if you not come through, if you will not come from that link, then some coupon code will not work for you. So if you want to all the this high discount, this how this high discount coupon code will work, then you have to simply come through that link. Then all this coupon code will work fine, and 101% guys, I am granted you those coupon code will work fine. And let's say guys, if any coupon code is not working and that high discount to coupon code will not work in future, then you can simply comment out. I will provide you another coupon code which has the same or highest discountable coupon code, so in my comment section, so it will benefit for you. So it will basically provide benefit for you. So okay guys, so I think this is enough for today's video. And as you can see here, and in my channel I also providing different coupon codes for different platforms. So you can visit my channel, and according to your need you can see coupon codes for different platforms. So I hope guys you will like this video. And for today's video, I think that's enough. So let's meet in the new videos. So for now, bye bye and take care.